Hello. Product name, thumbnail creator review, vendor, Venkatesh. Introduction, if you want to create a video, the most important thing is to create a thumbnail. Creating a good thumbnail takes a lot of time. This product will save you from wasting that time. You can create a beautiful thumbnail with one click with this product. So this product is for you. Product description, Thumbnail Creator allows you to create attention-grabbing thumbnails in minutes using this one-click AI technology. Looking to go viral with your videos? World's first AI thumbnail creator to help you get more views, hyper-targeted traffic, and more sales instantly. Brief explanation of the software features. Thumbnail Creator automatically uses advanced machine learning algorithms to create visually appealing and optimized video thumbnails. How does it work? You can create mind-blowing thumbnails in just 3 steps. Step 1. Pick your fave template, or let the AI make the best decision. Thumbnail Creator features more than X templates for different niches: weight loss, local business, gaming, travel, vlogs, pets, reviews, music, SEO, sports, real estate, makeup. You're going to have it for your niche. Step 2. Shape it for the purpose. Or let the AI edit it for you. Drag and drop anything you want, resize text, and choose fonts without previous design experience and technical skills. Easy to edit with point-and-click interface. Create your thumbnails for any medium and platform. 16:9. For :5, for :4, or any size you want. Step 3. Ready to publish and go viral? Publish your magnetic eye-catching thumbnail with only one click. Hit the publish button, and your brand new thumbnail will be uploaded to your existing video. Final opinion, with this product, you can create thumbnails of anything with just one click. So we hope you will benefit a lot from this product and save time from wasting. Thank you.